It's day 3. Just got dropped off by my guide up here in northern Minnesota. He said he's put me on some hot fish right here. I'm out here in no man's land right now. Past the shacks, 12 inches of ice. Finally got a cold day. It's 25 degrees right now. So we're making ice as we speak. So it's cold. I'm gonna get set up. It's windy. It's gonna be a rough one, but I gotta get the shack set up and get fishing. All right, pretty excited. Gonna run the vulture for the first time. Haven't got to run it yet, but it's a little windy for the iFish Pro today, so we're gonna set up. Okay, that is on. I know there's a lot of different ways people run theirs. This is how I'm gonna try mine this year. The magnet's on, half off. I clip it to that deal there. Fish grabs it, pulls up. I don't even know how to use this yet. I haven't got to use it yet, so gonna be a learning curve. Tell me I left it on. Well, this might be a quick outing with the vulture. I think I left the batteries on it. Something might have the... Oh yeah, has he got it? Oh yeah, got him. Got him. Got him. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, I can't believe it. 10-pound leader. What? Oh, he didn't break it. He just got off the hook. Oh, no. Oh. I was gonna say, there's no way he broke me off. Oh, that was a freaking beautiful walleye. Oh, dude. Oh, shit. That sucks. That was like a 20. Oh, man. That's heartbreaking. I thought he bit me off, but I said, there's no way that's 10 pound. He wasn't hooked. Oh, froze in, and I got a flag up right now. Oh boy. Either that or the wind popped it. Oh shit. Shit. Oh man, come on. I'm having troubles right now, guys. About to lose my shack. I got a flag up. Please don't flip over. forgot to take this off. Oh, I got a mess going on. Nothing. I am so... I forgot about this thing. This is all wrapped around this. Got one checking me out. Literally is just sitting there staring at the bait. There he goes. I've never seen so many fish. I've never seen so many fish swerve. Oh, he's back. Oh, he's gonna eat. He can't resist it. He's gonna eat it. Come on. Come on. Oh, what is going on? Again. Alright, now he's going over by the minnow. Right next to the minnow. Alright, just raised up on it. Let's see, is he gonna hit the rattle wheel? He's sitting there looking at the rattle wheel right now. Of course, just staring at the minnow. Oh, should I eat that minnow? Or should I just turn around? Oh, I'll just turn around, of course. Again. Big marks circling. Big marks circling the minnow right now. Dang, I got this little guy on. Oh, they can't stay away from the minnow. One of them's gonna hit it. One of them's gonna chew on it for sure. Oh, he just... Come on. These fish are so... Oh, that's a big mark. That's a nice walleye. Does he got it? He's on it right now. He's on it. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, he missed it. Oh, he missed it. Oh, come on. He hit this. Oh, he missed it. Oh. Sean. Oh, he came after this little micro T. Crazy. Fish come in, look at that minnow and just turn on it. They want nothing to do with the minnow. Flag just go off outside here. I hope it's not a wind, which if I had to guess, I'd say it's probably wind. The way that the wind is blowing right now, and the fish have not been biting. Nothing's turning. I guarantee that was a wind. Okay, there's a big mark on the rattle wheel right now. He's huge. Big mark. Oh yeah, he's got it. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Quit it. Quit it. Nice fish. He hammered it. Oh, he made a mess too. Come on, buddy. Man, he came out of nowhere and drilled that thing. Wow. Absolutely drilled it. Oh, perfect eater. Alright, I gotta get him unhooked in. Alright, that was pretty sweet. I had that walleye come in on the rattle wheel. I was out checking my tip up, and he hit on this jig right here. No, the lighting probably sucks, but it's an eye with a treble on it, running a minnow on it. He absolutely engulfed it. Hopefully that's a sign of what is to come. I just put him back down there. There's already 2 more fish circling him right now. Hope you can see that on the live there. But right now I'm just running a tip up outside and running the rattle wheel inside. I gave up on jigging. I can't get him to eat a jig. It's been so slow, so I'm just been running yeah, like I said, the rattle wheel and a tip up outside. So looks like this guy might eat right now too. He's coming up on the rattle wheel right now. Come on. He's going for it. He's definitely circling it. I love fishing with the rattle wheel. For those of you who have never seen it, I don't have the best lights in here, but basically it's just fishing line wrapped around this wheel right here. You can clamp it to your fish house, or there's different attachments you use, and you just run it down, run your line down, and when a fish comes and hits it, the bells will go off. Kind of like catfishing with those bells. I know some of you know what that's like. So yeah, so it's pretty fun when you're sitting there, all of a sudden you just hear the bells going ding, 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 ding. Or tip up fishings even. I mean, I love looking out there and then boom, you look out there 20 times, you don't see anything. You look out there the 21st time and then you see a flag and you're like, oh, it's go time. You know, you don't even put a jacket or anything on. You just hurry up and get out there. And mind you, you don't need all this fancy equipment. I know I have the live scope and all that, but you don't need any of that to go fishing. All you need is this rattle wheel was $10, or you can get a cheap combo set up for 20 bucks at Farm and Fleet or what have you, and get you some minnows and a hook and you're good to go. I mean, it's pretty much that simple. And anywhere you go on a lake, I guarantee you, ask somebody if you don't have an auger to drill you a hole or two, they'll help you out. So at least I know I would. Oh yeah, just got, son of a gun. Oh, that was a nice walleye, and he popped loose. Man, I tell you, I have had some fish come unpinned today. That was a nice fish. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. Unreal. Unreal, that was a nice fish. I'm stuck up here. Stupid netting. Wow, that's a big mark. Big mark on the rattle wheel. I'm trying to get down there next to him. I don't want to spook him though. Okay, he's coming over to check it out. He's coming over to check it out. Damn it. Comes right up to it and just turns around. What the hell? I don't get it. He goes up, looks at the minnow. No thanks. Comes up to the jig. No thanks. Fishing hasn't been great, but it's been fun. I just enjoy being outside, being places I've never been. This lake is freaking huge. Can't even see tree line on that other side. This place is ginormous. But it is blowing probably 20 to 30 today. It's nice. Ton of perma shacks, but we're out here probably 2 miles from shore. 10 to 12 inches of ice, so it's plenty safe. But this place is huge. I mean, I'm definitely coming back. You could drive out here with your car. Definitely gonna do it again. But we're out here. There's the thermal 400, barely holding on right now. Wind is blowing. I wish there was snow because then I could pack it along. I tried to put some holes and throwing it on there, but yeah, she's barely holding on right now. So I'm gonna get back in there because it's freezing out here. Turn the heater on. Well, this is it. This is the outro. The fishing was not great, but had that front moved in. It rained, it snowed, freezing rain, but I had a good time. I didn't catch a lot of fish, but had a good time. Got to do exactly what I wanted to do. Go to northern Minnesota, do some ice fishing. Still got a month probably before we'll get on our lakes back at home, but it wasn't great. That's okay. As always, next time we'll get back on them. Until then, I got a long drag ahead of me. Oh, just so you know, I didn't know. Call me a rookie, whatever. Don't come to Red Lake before it's too froze that you can't drive your vehicle out here. Come up here without a four-wheeler or side-by-side, be prepared to walk for at least an hour one way, an hour out, an hour back. So I was gonna ice camp, but they're not allowing people yet. I don't know why. They let people stay in their portables, but anyhow, I got some walking to do. Thanks for tuning in. Bear Hug Outdoors. I know it's been a while. It's probably gonna be a while before I post another one. All right, thanks for watching. See you out there.